This is an Advisor Analyst tutorial on table rollups. In this video, you will learn how to use table rollups to summarize and aggregate data from one table into another. For example, you will learn how to calculate the total revenue generated by customers in a region. Throughout this video, we will be using the customers demo that ships with the software. First, what is a table rollup? A table rollup is a functionality in Advisor that summarizes data from one table and creates a new table with that summary. To create a table rollup, go to the Author ribbon and click on the Link Tables button. This opens up the link wizard. Click Next, then click Perform Table Rollup. Then click Next. The first step is to choose the source table and source key field. The source table is the table with the data to summarize. The source key field provides the basis for what the data will be summarized over. The destination or output table will contain one row for each of the different values of the source key field. For example, in the customers table, if we set the source key field to region, the destination table will contain one row for each of the 4 regions, and we can see one of those here. Data will be aggregated across all the rows that share the same value in the source key field. All the east rows, all the midwest rows, and so on and so forth. The destination table name is simply the name of the new table that will be created as the result of the table rollup. Let's call this Region Summary. Now click Next. The second step in creating a table rollup is to define what fields to aggregate and how to aggregate them. To add a field, click Add Field on the bottom right. In the middle, click on the blank cell underneath the Origin field to choose a field to aggregate. For now, let's click Revenue. An aggregation operation will automatically populate to the right. Alternatively, you can click on the drop-down menu as well and change the aggregation type. Finally, you can change the destination name, that is, what the field will be called in the destination table. For now, let's change this to Total Regional Revenue. You can add other fields to aggregate, as well as aggregate a single field multiple ways. Click Add Field. Set the origin field to Revenue again. But this time, change the operation type to Average. You can click Next. Here, if you wish to change the name of this link, you can do so, but it's generally suggested to leave as default. Click Next, and then Finish. To check out our new table, open the Project Workshop by clicking on the Display Project Workshop button. Expand out the Project node, and then the Tables node, and finally click on the new table. You can see a list of the fields, as well as a preview of the data. Now, this is a table that you can use just like any other table in Advisor. You can create charts off of it, link to other tables, create expressions, etc. To learn more about table rollups or other video tutorials, check out the Advisor Help Central page.